Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nubia Redmagic 6S device, and now I can show you how to install and how to set up parental controls on this device. Okay, firstly, you need to delete Google accounts from this device because you need to add the account on this device with the password that only you will know. So, because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create a new Google account with a password that only you will know. So open your apps menu, then find settings. Cool. Then choose accounts, find here accounts, choose Google and delete it, or just click other accounts, choose hard reset, remove hard reset account, for test only, remove for test only account, and great. Now click add account and add child's Google account. In my case, it will be HardReset.Info @gmail.com. Then just enter your password. And the child's password and click next. Scroll down, don't turn on or turn on, click I agree, scroll down, accept, great. So now just open settings again, then scroll down and choose Google. Then scroll down again and choose parental controls. Get started. Here choose child or teenager, because child or teenager will use this device. Click next. Wait a while. Choose HTTP, no, in my case. So here you need to link child's Google account to your Google account. So here you need to log in into your parent Google account. So enter email, enter a password, oh, I need to try again. Click next and check in account, wait a while, scroll down and confirm child's password to allow supervision. Click agree, allow, click next, more, and next. Scroll down, click next, and skip. Okay, go back to your home screen. Cool. And now you need to install Google Family Link. So find here Family Link, Google Family Link application. So find it and try again. Okay. You need to install this application if you doesn't have this application yet. So find it, Family Link application in Play Store. If you have Android device, if you have iOS device, find it in App Store. And here you will see your child's account with child's name. Click on it and great. As you can see, wait a while, and now as you can see, we have a fully control of child's phone. For example, we can lock any child device. I have a lot of devices here because this is test child's account. So here I have a lot of devices, many devices. So you will have only child's device. You could disable any of child's devices connected with this child's account. And great. So you can play the sound of the child's device. For example, stop it, please. Stop it, please. How can I stop it? Please stop it. Okay. As you can see, you can play sound, you can disable child's device, and you can do everything with child's phone. You can block separate applications if you want. I can show you how you can do it. So just find here, wait a while. Just find here applications, apps installed. Click more. Choose limits. Wait a while. And here you will see all child's installed applications. For example, child has a standoff game. So just click on standoff, or on your device, click on this sandwich button. You can set limit of this application. For example, your child will have the ability to play on standoff for about 2 hours per day. Or you can block this application on the child's device. So just click block, wait a while, and standoff will be blocked on the child's phone. As you can see, child doesn't have standoff to game now. You can do it with any game. For example, Sultans, or what we do, Subway Surfers, for example. Yeah. So just find this game, or Asphalt, what we have here on this device. FIFA maybe. Okay, FIFA mobile. Just click on Sandwich. As you can see, I can open this game now, but oh my gosh, what the launcher is here. And as you can see now, click block FIFA football, wait a while, and as you can see, FIFA mobile was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.